Welcome to the Cooking Chronicles with Ingrid. Today I am co-hosting in a monthly cookbook collaboration series along with Holly's Homemade Haven. This month we will be sharing how to make over our Thanksgiving leftovers. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to head on over to Holly's Homemade Haven after watching this video and check out what she was able to come up with her Thanksgiving leftovers, as well as the playlist, which I will link down below in my description box so you can check out all the other channels that have participated. And let me tell you, you are not going to be disappointed because these creators can cook and give you inspiration on what to make and serve to your family. So back to this collaboration. This is a monthly collaboration that will go live every first Monday of the month. If you're interested in wanting to join, feel free to contact me here through YouTube by commenting down below or sending me an email or following me over on Instagram, and we will be more than happy to add you to the collaboration chat group. So we decided to host this collaboration with the theme of making over Thanksgiving leftovers, because of course we always have leftover turkey. What are we going to do with this leftover turkey? And the first thing that came to my mind was the sitcom Friends, where Ross loves the moist maker, the sandwich that Monica makes him every time that she has leftover turkey. And so I was dying to make the sandwich. And so along with turkey, we always have leftover cranberry sauce, because for some reason, someone in the family will come with a can of cranberry sauce, which I will open up and no one touches. And so I'm left over with this cranberry. And so I'm going to utilize it today to add it along with my sandwich, as well as some stuffing. Stuffing is always left over as well. It is something that we make up in excess, but we always have leftovers. I don't mind having stuffing as leftover because it is so delicious. And then of course another dish that we have, or side order, is the gravy. Gravy is always like leftover. We always have some in excess, and so I'm using it today as well. I just warmed it up because I need it nice and hot for this recipe. You're also going to need 3 slices of bread. Right now you see 2 because the third slice is in the toaster, and that is the one that we're going to use to make our moist maker sandwich. So the first layer, you're going to add some leftover stuffing. Now, this recipe was inspired by the official cookbook of the Friends television series, written by Amanda Yee. You have to pick up this cookbook. I got mine through the Kindle version, so it's digital. That's why I showed you a picture of the cover. But you have all of the recipes that are mentioned in the television series. Now, after adding your first layer of the stuffing and turkey, we're going to make our moist maker by taking a piece of bread and dipping it into the gravy. Okay, that is the moist maker right there. And so you are going to make a sandwich. You're going to put it on top, and then you're going to add some cranberry. Now, for right now, it looks like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but trust me, it does not taste like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So once you add on this layer of cranberry sauce, you're going to go ahead and add more turkey on top, and then you're going to cover it with your third piece of bread. Now, I strayed a little bit away from the actual recipe that's in the book because they used sweet potato and they used mashed potato, and you can add those things if that's what you have left over. I'm going to make my version because these are the ingredients that I have left. And my gosh, look at how huge the sandwich is. I have to straighten it out because it looks a little bit crooked, but believe me, it will get straightened out in a minute. And so you're going to go ahead and cut this in half. You can quarter them if you want and add a toothpick to make it look like a club sandwich. That's the beauty of the Moist Maker, is that you can make it up any way you want. And my friends, look at that. No wonder why Ross had a mental breakdown when his boss ate his sandwich after he took it to work, left it in the fridge, and his boss took it and ate it, and then had the audacity to throw away whatever was left over. What you saw me whisking there, I made a little sauce for decoration, and as well as kind of like dipping the sandwich while you eat it, because sometimes turkey can be a little bit dry. So what I did was I took some of the cranberry sauce and added some of the gravy and just kind of whisked it together and put it into this bottle and try to, like, you know, I was watching Chopped and I just thought that maybe I was like one of those chefs and I had to decorate my plate. And I also sprinkled some parsley just to kind of add a little bit more color to the plate. I felt like the plate that I used was a little bit big and it has some empty space, but look how it turned out, y'all. Simply delicious. And there you have it, my friends. This is what I was able to do with my Thanksgiving leftovers. It is not too late for you to join in on this collaboration. So if you want to upload your video, Holly and I will be more than grateful to add you to the playlist. Make sure to check out her channel and the rest of the channels that are participating. And that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. This video is also part of my Thankvember series, and so this is day 4, and today I am grateful for collaborations with great channels where I can continue to cook with love and serve with joy. Until the next video.